Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover the last topic of this chapter, how the state government works. Till now in this chapter we discussed about the story of Patalpuram, that it was whose responsibility to take care of the situation. As we have seen that in the Patalpuram district people were facing water problem. The shortage of water was the issue. Unclean water they were receiving. Also many of them were dying or suffering from disease like diarrhea. Almost 15 people have died in the area. So these were the problems that we have seen, and so it becomes whose responsibility to take care of the situation. That was the topic, whose responsibility. Next we discussed about MLA, that why MLA was being blamed in that story. So who is an MLA? A person who wins from a constituency, who is supposed to take care of the or is responsible for providing everything properly in the constituency, from where he or she wins the election through universal adult suffrage. That is, the people who are 18 years or above give vote to them, and then they become the MLA of that constituency by getting the maximum number of votes. And lastly we have seen about how debate takes place in the legislative assembly. That is, within a state there are different constituencies, and there are different MLAs who used to win the election. So there are some opposition and some majority party, also called the ruling party. So both of them sits in the legislative assembly. Debate discussion takes place on a particular topic. As we have seen, the problem of water and the disease of diarrhea that was prevalent in many areas. Tolpatti village and Akhand Gaon were the problems that was put up in the debate, and people were discussing over it. They were raising their problem concerns, MLAs were raising, and all they belonged both from opposition party as well as the ruling party. So opposition party was raising the problems, and the ruling party was trying to answer them and putting up their views, how they are resolving the problems, what are the steps has been taken by them to solve the problem. How health minister has provided ORS to all the families of the affected areas were the points that was put up by the ruling party in the debate of legislative assembly. Today we will see how the government works, that is, working of the government. So the government's work is not limited to the legislative assembly only. That is, having a debate or discussion in the legislative assembly is not only the work of the government. Apart from that also, government has different works to be done to take care of the infrastructure, education, health, and develop them. Also, other mediums play a very crucial role and important role in influencing the government's work. That is, example is a newspaper, television, and so on. When government is doing something, it is the public whom they need to answer. And how will the public get answer, and how will government give them the answer, is through media, that is through newspaper and television. We get to know what are the steps government is taking to tackle the problems currently which is in the society, or in general it could be anything. So whenever the assembly discussion is over, a press conference used to take place, mostly by the different ministers. Like in case of Patalpuram district, the problem was of water, and the chief minister as well as the health minister was responsible towards it. So they hold a press conference, in which different media persons were there, and the ministers explained the steps taken by the government to the reporters. Also, reporters used to ask many questions in the meeting, which is supposed to be answered by the health minister and chief minister, or the different ministers present over there. Like in case of Patalpuram, the chief minister as well as the health minister has visited that district, and they had met a lot of people over there who lost their relatives, and they visited hospitals. So going through it and looking after the situations, what government has did is they announced a compensation and appointed a high level committee to tackle the situation. So this was also informed in the press conference by the ministers, that they visited the area and the things they have done after visiting the the problem that chief minister had seen after visiting the area, the Patalpuram district, was of sanitation and lack of clean drinking water. So they, what he did was he set up a high-level inquiry committee to look into the needs of the district to provide proper sanitation facilities and proper water supply in that region. All these things were informed by the minister to the reporters, which is further informed to the people living in the area and to the citizens. So all those people, that is the chief minister as well as the different ministers, have different responsibilities, and in case any sector, suppose education sector, infrastructure sector, or health is having any problem or a concern, then they would be asked questions in the legislative assembly, and these ministers has to answer them. Also, it would be further informed to the press reporters, to the media people, through press conference, by holding the press conference. So what happens is, whenever any problem comes, the chief minister and the minister take action through various departments. Like whatever department the problem is, that department minister will, along with the chief minister, will take the responsibility to answer the questions that are asked in the legislative assembly whenever the debate takes place, and other MLAs ask questions. It is their responsibility to answer them, and after doing so they also have to respond the same to the media through press conference. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding any situation or anything that is needed. Suppose regarding sanitation and health facility, government has made new laws with the help of ministers, that is chief minister and the MLAs and ministers. For example, it may make it compulsory for the municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village, that is the doctors and the nurses. Or it could be any law that is needful in the society, government can make, and those laws are made where? In the legislative assembly of each state. Similarly, laws for the entire nation, for the whole country, is made where? In the parliament, which we will study in the next class, that is in class 8. So in this chapter we have seen how the state government works, what are the responsibilities of MLA, how the state government make new laws for the state. That's all in this chapter. Thank you.